Hey guys, so welcome back. Today we're building something different. We are building an AI lead capture and follow-up agent. Last time I built an AI lead capture bot, but today I'm building an agent which literally does everything for you. So as usual, the first thing we do, as usual, come we enter our workflow and we name our workflow. We name it up here as usual. See, we're gonna call this AI lead capture, lead capture, and okay, and follow up agent. I'm not going to explain to you guys what it does, but you'll see what it does as you follow up with me. That's the name of the agent. So first thing as always, we add the trigger node, and our trigger node today is going to be form submission. Form. Yep. Okay. Remember, let me zoom in. This is the form. We're gonna create our form. The form title. It's AI lead capture. I don't know. I keep switching up. And follow up agent, that's the name. So we fill descriptions in form, that's the description of the form. If we add titles, our first title as always, as usual, is the full name. Text, the type is text input. We're gonna add an attribute which is a placeholder. Placeholder, let's say Benjamin. It's just a placeholder. So Benjamin, that's the, we add another element. The next element that we want here is the email address. It's not a text input, it's an email. Now we add an attribute to it, a placeholder, something like gmail.com. That's the placeholder. We add another element. We need the phone number, the label, phone number. It's a number, it's not a text. Let's see if they have it's a number format. And attribute, let's say it's 07, that's the attribute. Add another form element. We want the business type, the type of business we want to capture. Busy. It's a text input. Let's say the attribute maybe, so let's say the it's a shoe boutique. Okay, we had another element. What services are you looking for? Okay, that's the level. It's not a text, it's a long, it's a text area, which is a long text. Okay, we don't need an attribute for that. When we add another element, which is the last one, which is budget range, the budget of a business. Okay, multi-choice. We need a multi, which is a drop down. Okay, option 1, first option be under 10k. Another option maybe 10k, range of 10k to 50k. Another option 50k to 100k. Okay, the other one we're looking for is maybe, sorry about the background noise, it's above 100k. Okay, that's it. It's done. Everything is done. And we want to come here first. We append material attributes. Append them. We don't want the attributes. Okay, as you can see, this is how our form will look like. Okay, this is how it's gonna look like. Let me show you how our form is gonna look like. Yeah, this is our form. The name of the form is AI lead capture and follow-up agent. The description, fill in the form, full name, this is the placeholder, as you can see, email address, phone number, business type, what service are you looking for, the budget of the business, and when you hit submit, you get what you want. Okay, so we're gonna close it a bit. Okay, and let me just, okay, so we tell you to stop listening first. So we're gonna come next after the form trigger node. We want the next, it's an AI agent node as usual. We're gonna add our next node, which is the action node, which is the AI agent node. We want to not connect chat trigger, but we want to define everything below, and that's what you're gonna do. We're gonna add the option of the system prompt. Okay, system prompt is the, like I usually say, it's the skill given to the agent, and we're gonna create, for this time we want, it's specialized in small business as usual though. So we're gonna tell it to be, you are an expert sales assistant for a Kenyan small business. Okay. You are an that's the form. The inquiry form is the form that you submitted. Your job is to do two things. It's to do two things. Okay. First, qualify the lead. You need to qualify the lead. Okay. What do you mean when you qualify the lead? I mean, analyze their business, 2, we want to write a personalized follow-up email. So you see it created for you even a personalized email. What we want the email to do is it should be professional. Let's double professional one. Professional one specific to inquiry. It's like a receptionist here. You see, that's what we wanted to give to do. Yeah, that's the skill we're giving the AI. This is what I'm doing right now. It's called prompt engineering. Prompting. I'm giving it a prompt. How you should talk to your AI. Okay. Wanna zoom out? We've given it that. Now what we also want is user input. Okay, prompt user. So before we submit, we need to come here. Okay, we need to. So this guy is listening first. Okay, and we're gonna fill up our form. Let's say I'm gonna use my name. Okay, my phone. I'm gonna use just a random phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Business type. Let me say. What do I want to be? Shoe boutique, like. What services? Let's say no. Let's change it to restaurant. Okay. Keep listening. Sorry. Let's repeat that step again. Okay, 7. Okay. Let's say there is a restaurant. What advice you want on? I want assistant that captures customers' orders and services and sends them to my kitchen automatically. Thus, let's say the budget option is 10k to 50k. Then hit submit. Form submitted. Thank you. As you can see, our form has been submitted. These are our data, the full name, the email. Okay, everything is here. So our agent has captured this as an output, which was an input from the form. Okay, pull a test form to submission. See, there you go. Then what we're gonna do next is come here and give this model. We want chart, which is Groq. We already have Groq. We want the simplest model. There, good boy. So we're gonna come back here and we're gonna take this user input. We want, first of all, before I come and put it, let me just pick what I want and throw them in. We want the lead name, email, and the lead name, and the email. Okay, we want the phone, we want the business type, we want the budget, services needed. Okay, we also want the budget. Yeah. Down here we're gonna say qualify the lead, write a live follow-up email. Okay, so I'm gonna just come back in here. This is the lead name. It's the email. Phone number. Services needed to the budget. As you can see, and the output is the lead name, the email address. Okay, services needed, the budget is 10k. Okay, why is it like this? So that is done. So we need to send this to our email. We want to send that output to our email, so we're going to execute. So lead qualification would rate Benjamin as a hot lead. So it's a hot lead. The reason for this is that he has a clear idea of specific services he needs, an assistant for capturing customers' orders and sending them to the kitchen automatically. He provides a budget range, it's 10K, personalized follow-up email, how to make your restaurant's orders. It has given us, we understand the importance of streamlining a restaurant's operation to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. The iPod solution can help you achieve this. Okay, our team will be happy to discuss how our solutions can. So this if somebody wants me to create for them an AI assistant, this is how they can reach me. They fill up the form and they tell me what they want, and I can actually, when this comes to my email, I can know what they want and I can create that for them. Okay. So I need to send this output somewhere. It can just stay here. So, and that somewhere is always my Gmail. So I'm gonna add another node here. It's the Gmail. We want the send message action. Send a message. We already have our Gmail. Send to who? We're sending it to me. Let's say this time I send it to me. Okay, let's say send it to me. Okay. The email is to myself, to me. I'm gonna come here to this form. I'm gonna pick the email here. Good. First thing you're supposed to say the subject is thank you for your inquiry. The name is Benjamin. We want this email type to be in text format. Unless the email is supposed to say the message. The message is the output. That's the output. Okay. Before I send it, I'll come to my Gmail. Let me come here to my Gmail and see if I'd receive it. Let me see if I'd receive that. Oh, it's taking so long. But I'll execute still. Let's see if it's gonna get sent. So you can see it has been sent. It's not yet read, but it's in my email. Okay. I'll show you guys where it is in a bit. But what we wanna do next, I wanna also notify the business owner that I've received this. And how I can notify them that I've received this is through my Telegram channel, because for a fact that's where they can actually access that form they have filled and they have submitted. So I need to return the idea back to them and tell them, hey, this and this I've received. So here's what you need to do. You can see it hasn't arrived yet. Here it is. You can see, let me zoom in. It has come. I will rate Benjamin's as thoughts. This is the email it has come just a minute ago. Okay, you can see the date. It's today. It's today's date. That's this person. Look, everything. The personalized follow up. The subject: automate your restaurant's order process with AI. Dear Benjamin, see, I hope this email finds you. If Thank you for reaching out to us about your implement. Okay, so now that is done, I'm gonna add a little bit of cherry on top, which is my Telegram. So I'm gonna go to my Telegram. Already have my Telegram, I think. Dot Telegram web. Let me use my phone number. 740 Next. This is the gonna send me the notification. 38 45. Now, first thing when you are Telegram, we're gonna first go to bot further, and we're gonna create a new bot. Okay. I'm gonna press enter. So what we want here is a new bot. Let me zoom out a bit. So as I say, it's an AI. So I'm gonna accept. Now let's choose a username. Username is okay. We're gonna call it AI. AI. That's the name. So we have a token here, and we have our token. We're gonna come back to have my child ID here. So come back. I'll come back to my workflow since it's everything is in my. As you can see, it's working. Telegram. Looking for send a text message. Set up the credential. Access token. You can see we need the access token, so we're gonna come back to you. This is the access token they're asking for. I'll put it here. I'm gonna paste it and we're gonna press save. Connected successfully. Then now come to settings. Go to parameters. The chat ID. Also need the chat ID. Here's my ID. Pick it. Paste it there. So we want here, it's a new lead. The text message is new lead alert. Sorry, new lead alert. The name as usual. When we come back to our form, we need the name, we need the phone number, the business, also services, services, and the budget. It's alerting me that I've now installed. Let me check. No, name, it's the phone number. Business. As you can see, this is the message you're expecting in our Telegram channel. The name, the phone number of the person, the rest of the business, the service they want, the budget what they have. Okay. So I'm gonna execute. Bad request, please check your parameters. Yeah. Send a message obviously. What? Oh, come on. Saying it's a bad request, but where is the bad request coming from? Let's do the whole thing and see. So we want to execute this. Now, let's execute this step. Let's begin. Let's fill out everything and see. So the name is 2. Let me just use my own email. 7 49 41. Set the restaurant. We want what services. budget. So just arrange. We submit. From submitted, everything is submitted. So let's go check it out. Let this guy too. This is the only place well now. Let's get rid of the chat ID. Let's use it. What's the issue? But you guys have, I hope you guys have understood what I've done here. I just wanted to do some bit of fanciness on this node, but I think I don't got something right here at the end, but it works. Thanks for watching.